Welcome, future pharmacists. Today we're diving into the Biopharmaceutics Classification System, or BCS, a vital tool in drug development. The BCS helps predict how well a drug will be absorbed in the body, guiding everything from formulation to regulatory approval. Developed in the 1990s by Dr. Gordon Amidon, the BCS streamlines drug approval by classifying drugs based on two key properties: solubility and permeability. Solubility measures how well a drug dissolves in gastrointestinal fluids. Permeability measures how easily it crosses the intestinal wall. These two factors determine how much and how quickly a drug enters the bloodstream. The BCS sorts drugs into four classes, each with unique formulation challenges. For example, a Class 2 drug with low solubility but high permeability needs special formulation to ensure it dissolves well enough to be absorbed. Mastering the BCS gives you insight into why drugs are formulated differently and how to optimize patient outcomes. It's the grammar of pharmacokinetics, essential for every pharmacist. Let's break down how the BCS works and why it matters. The BCS divides drugs into four classes based on solubility and permeability. Class 1, high solubility, high permeability, ideal for oral drugs. Class 2, low solubility, high permeability, absorption limited by dissolution. Class 3, high solubility, low permeability, absorption limited by membrane crossing. Class 4, low solubility, low permeability, the toughest to formulate. A drug is highly soluble if its highest dose dissolves in 250 ml of water across a pH range of 1.2 to 6.8. The dose-solubility ratio, dose in mg divided by solubility in mg/ml, must be 250 ml for high solubility. This simple calculation standardizes how we assess a drug's potential for absorption. Permeability is the second pillar: how well a drug crosses the gut wall. A drug is highly permeable if at least 85% of the dose is absorbed, measured by human studies or validated lab models. BCS classification shapes drug development. Class 1 drugs are straightforward, while Class 2 and 3 require targeted strategies to overcome solubility or permeability barriers. The BCS also enables biowaivers, regulatory shortcuts for certain drugs, allowing generics to be approved without extensive human trials if they meet dissolution and permeability criteria. This accelerates access to affordable medicines. For example, if a Class 1 drug dissolves rapidly, regulators may waive in vivo bioequivalence studies. The BCS framework saves time, reduces costs, and ensures safe, effective drugs reach patients faster. Now, let's see how this plays out with a real drug example. Meet Ketoprofen, a classic Class 2 drug. Ketoprofen is a potent NSAID with high permeability but poor solubility, making it a Class 2 drug. Its slow dissolution limits absorption, delaying pain relief. To overcome this, scientists use techniques like micronization, reducing particle size, and solid dispersions to boost dissolution. These strategies transform Ketoprofen into a faster, more reliable medication. The BCS helps you understand why some drugs need special formulations, while others don't. As a pharmacist, this knowledge is crucial for patient counseling and optimizing therapy. Remember, BCS class. Why drugs are ideal. Class 2 needs solubility enhancement, Class 3 need permeability solutions, and Class 4 are the most challenging. High solubility dose dissolves in 250 ml water. High permeability, 85% absorbed. The BCS guides formulation, regulatory approval, and patient care. Mastering it makes you a more effective pharmacist. Keep these principles in mind as you advance in your pharmacy career. Welcome to Dr. Satish Pulshettiwar's educational YouTube channel, your gateway to smart pharma education, innovative research, and industry-driven formulation science. Whether you're a pharmacy student, academician, researcher, or pharma industry professional, this channel is made for you. Subscribe for case-based content, real-world insights, and formulation tips.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.